Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you another very short and sweet review. I just wanted to show you what Julianne by Jon Renau looks like in this very beautiful Toffee Truffle color, also known as FS6/30/27. So I want to say right up front that I bought this color because of this particular manufacturer photo. So whoever that model is in that photo, she totally deserves a raise, because I thought that as soon as I saw this color in that photo, I absolutely needed to have this color because it's just really, really, really beautiful. The 6 is the base shade, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this for you. So the base shade here is this number 6, which is medium brown. And then on top of that, you have two different shades of auburn. You've got this lighter auburn, which you can see really well right here. That's the number 27. It is the same shade as the highlight shade on the caramel ribbon, which is the 6F27, which is very popular. So this is basically a take on the 6F27. If you think about it, it's basically the 6, the 27, but it's also got this extra shade added to it. That's the number 30, and that is a medium auburn. So it's a shade darker than this sort of caramel auburn brown color here. So very beautiful color. One other difference between this particular color and the caramel ribbon, other than the inclusion of this medium auburn, and that is that it has way more of the highlight. You can probably see the proliferation of highlight just here on the top. But the thing is, it's not just in the top. That FS in the color code should be an indication to you that this is a syrup shade. So just like the FS27, also known as strawberry syrup, or the FS26/31, the caramel syrup, this should also be thought of in the same way. So this is about 1/3 highlight, 2/3 base shade. So that highlight isn't just going to be on the top, it's also going to go all the way through the hair, all the way down to the nape. So just to kind of demonstrate the point, I'm going to take Julianne off here. Now I have used my fingers and manipulated Julianne like this to loosen these up, because I'm keeping this one. And I actually really love how pronounced those highlights look on this color, because I mean that 27 isn't super light colored, so it doesn't look super duper abrupt. Sometimes with the really light blonde highlights it can look a little skunk striped, but this actually looks very beautiful. And just since I have it off, I'll show you the cap interior with the beautiful felt closed ear tabs. They're hand-tied caps, fit on me very comfortably. You know, the rest of my head is relatively average sized, but the perimeter of my cap is large. It's 23.5 inches. So the perimeter on this is large enough to accommodate that. So just a little word to the wise there. It does stretch a little bit on the end, but not enough if you actually have a true large head size. But I find this wig to be very, very comfortable on. And yeah, just beautifully made wig. I love this one. Look at those curls. Alright, I'm going to put this one back on. I get all swoony sometimes when I get new hair. Beautiful color, and a very, very luscious, heavily highlighted take on the classic caramel ribbon, also known as 6F27. So this color is FS6/30/27, also known as Toffee Truffle, on the beautiful, completely hand-tied Julianne wig. I'm Heather. I'm the owner of CysterWigs.com. That's spelled CysterWigs.com, because I have PCOS, also known as polycystic ovary syndrome. So causes you to lose your hair, so I opened a store, and also because I like wigs. So if you ever get bored or curious about what I do, you can check out my web store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.